The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Columbia County and East Central Georgia, Edgefield County in Central South Carolina, Northwestern Aiken County in Central South Carolina, South Central Saluda County in Central South Carolina, Southeastern McCormick County in Central South Carolina, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Clarks Hill Recreation Area, or 14 miles north of Martinez, moving east at 40 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Aiken, North Augusta, Edgefield, Johnston, Ridge Spring, Usk Aiken, Clarks Hill Recreation Area, Saluda County Airport, Edgefield County Airport, J. Strom Thurmond Dam, Aiken Municipal Airport, Citizens Park, Graniteville, Gloverville, Trenton, Ward, Strom Thurmond High School, Scotts Landing, Clear and Colliers. This includes Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 6 and 24.